Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo folder on your computer. This will help you organize your pictures and make them easier to find. First, decide where you want to create the folder. This could be on your desktop, in your documents, or anywhere else that's convenient for you. For this example, I'm going to create the folder on the desktop. Start by going to your desktop. Once you're there, right-click on any empty space. A menu will appear. In this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says New. Another menu will pop up next to it. In this second menu, click on Folder. A new folder will appear on your desktop and it will be ready to be named. Type the name you want to give the folder. Since we're creating a folder for photos, you can name it Photos or something similar. After typing the name, press the Enter key on your keyboard to save the name. Now that you've created the folder, you can customize it to make it specifically optimized for storing photos. To do this, right-click on the new folder you just created. A menu will appear. In this menu, click on Properties at the bottom. The Properties window will open. At the top of this window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Customize. In the Customize tab, you'll see a section that says Optimize this folder for. Next to it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and select Pictures from the list. This will optimize the folder for storing images, which can help with organizing and viewing your photos. After selecting Pictures, click the Apply button at the bottom of the window to save the changes. Then click OK to close the Properties window. Your new photo folder is now ready. You can start adding your pictures to this folder by simply dragging and dropping them into it, or by copying and pasting them. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.